What's the meaning of Blighty? Blighty. Blighty.
Blighty. Blighty. Blighty is a term that originated in the British military during World War I, and it refers to Britain or England. It often has a nostalgic or sentimental connotation for those who are away from their homeland. The word is believed to have come from the Hindi word Blighty, which means foreign and was used to describe the British. Over time, Blighty became a common term used by soldiers and civilians alike. Today, the word is still used occasionally but has largely fallen out of common usage. It remains a curious relic of a time when Britain was a major world power and its soldiers fought on battlefields around the globe.